go get some Starbucks. I'm here with Javi, he got his R. In front of me is my brother with the GTO. And then I got my Super Legacy. We're gonna go get some nice cold or hot coffee. Just going to Starbucks, make it quick, because we all gotta split up after, go home and stuff. So, it should be chill. Just cruising. And then we might hit a back roads. There's a cool back roads here locally that we might go hit. See what's up. I should get a hot coffee or iced coffee. That's so sick. Damn, this tastes like good. I like getting the brownie. Alright, we just got our coffee. I got the Pecan Crunch Latte.
You can take the lead?
You want me to?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright. I have to put the address. Let me put the address. What happened?
I don't know.
Huh?
It sounded like it was misfiring.
Oh, really? Huh? That's weird. Do you have a check engine? What the hell is that? I can't tell if that's like a misfire or what.
Have you got plugs on it? Yeah. Hey, did you drive it? What's that?
Diag. It's bad, huh? It sounds like a map sensor.
I wonder if it's a
Map?
No. Fuel pressure, dude.
Oh.
Hey, fuel pressure's low. Usually at 40.
Alright, so my brother's car ended up doing something weird, like it almost sounded like a misfire, or it's like cutting something, either air or fuel, but it seemed kind of weird. It was perfectly fine when we were driving to Starbucks, so I can't really understand what was going on, but hopefully it's just something that went loose, like either I don't know if a vacuum leak or a boost leak would cause that, but I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna check fuel, spark, and see what's going on. Maybe fouled plugs. You never know.
Hook up a voltmeter to it.
A voltmeter?
Yeah. Well, yeah, because you got to start there. Like, that was the...
Oh, the main problem?
Yeah, maybe the alternator's not charging it.
Like when
You guys don't have a scan tool?
not on me. All right, we're gonna go buy some beer. It looks like the problem is solved, maybe, because we would rev it and you would hear it stutter, but now it sounds a little bit better. So it sounds a little bit better. My brother was saying that he actually crimped the MAF sensor to make it longer. You left it open. The MAF wire needed to get extended before so it could reach to the MAF sensor. So my brother had crimped it a long time ago, and we don't know if it wasn't like properly connected. Maybe it was making a bad contact, or the wires are like bad. So it sounds better already. Sounds better.
Yeah.
So it was just a loose MAF wire. That's hella weird. There you go. It's a lot better now.